Yeah, maybe.
Anyway, hey, you miss me or?
Apa? Kangen tuh.
Of course, yes.
Manisnya. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, like this. Boom. Oke guys, jadi di video kali ini kita mau reaction Fiki Naki lagi, boy.
Ya.
Soalnya dia itu favorit. Dia bertiga favorit banget ini. Yang lagi viral-viralnya, yang lagi naik-naiknya, yang lagi panas-panasnya kita ayam anjing.
Goblok.
Par 5, woi anjing panas banget ini.
Garing.
Dayana kangen sama aku.
Dayana kangen sama aku.
Siap.
Garing.
Halo guys, ada Nesa.
Dan dia lagi sama temannya. Siap.
So how are you?
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. And I forgot that Indonesia and Kazakhstan, the time are not the same. Yeah, that's why I sent you the link. I believe for you it was 9 and 30, but for me it was 10 and 30. So now for me it's 11 and 30.
Oh, beda 2 jam.
Beda 2 jam.
Okay, no problem.
Who's that?
Other dormitory girls. We just quarantine is done, so in dormitory we are
Meet.
so many girls in dormitory.
Siap.
Banyak banget teman-teman Jekenan. Kita ada satu-satu, boy.
I'm just trying to make
So, you know, in the last video, after that you were just so popular
Siap.
in Indonesia. Like,
In Indonesia.
followers sent me this, this picture of you in public, like in the building, in truck. Have you seen one on truck?
Yes, I saw it.
On the way to Kazakhstan, right?
Wah gila ini para super truk. Sampai fotonya dipasang di truk, Cuk.
Iya.
Tina udah mau kirim ini. Oh siap. Ngeri memang Dayana, boy.
What's your opinion on that? What's your reaction?
To be honest, it's so cute.
So cute,
Sometimes I'm really shocked what to do with my photos, like in the t-shirt, like my photos on the t-shirt, on the. Strange, but I like it. I really like it, and some use my name on the cheese.
Oh, keys?
Cheese.
Keju.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yes.
Oh, cheese.
That's right.
Huh. Write your name on cheese.
And they're strange, so but I send it all to all my mom and my dad. I will send it, and they wasn't shocked.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, I forgot. What does your mom say and your dad say about you now? Famous.
Hey, famous.
What's their
They
opinion?
are scared about.
Scared.
My mom, yes, because she's scared about my life and like this, because I have so many hypocritic friends. And now I know it. Before I didn't know it, and
banyak
so many haters.
minder misalkan banyak followers tuh. Bilang, takut dilupain. Iya.
Siap.
Takut kelupaan temanya, guys.
Kazakhstan, actually,
In Kazakhstan, people hate you.
yes, I have so many friends from Kazakhstan who actually hated me, but they are with me because I'm popular and maybe they think that I have money. Actually, I'm not. You know,
Oh iya.
Oh ini yang pernah cerita kayak
Iya.
kayak pernah cerita Naruto Sarap sama Justin nggak kasih tahu gitu.
Bilang
Ada nih temanmu yang dulu benci kok, mau dekati kok.
mungkin gara-gara duit.
Makanya dia dekat sama kamu.
Mau pansos tuh ceritanya gitu.
Siap.
Sangat menarik.
yeah, maybe.
Ya, maybe.
Anyway, hey, you miss me or?
Apa ini apa?
Kangen tuh.
Of course, yes.
Manisnya. Lu kangen nggak sama pantat aku?
When are you going to make another video with Dayana? Please, blah 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 blah.
Iya.
Dayana, guys, please. Dayana is now famous.
Ya.
She's busy.
Netigain.
Because most people think that I have a star syndrome. Actually, I'm not. I don't have star syndrome.
No. Hey, no, listen. That's good if you got a lot of job, work. That's good thing. I'm happy for you. Really, genuinely happy for you.
It's all because of you.
Iya.
And I saw you wearing Indonesian dress, traditional Indonesian dress. Are you invited or were you invited? Of course.
Baju adatnya Indonesia tuh.
Embrace.
Ya, kedutaan Indonesia.
If I'm not mistaken, it's pronounced like that.
Yeah.
So I was so in the bad, in the good.
Good vibes.
Like okay. I mean, in this embrace has a good vibe.
Okay, good vibe. I saw you wearing traditional Indonesian dress.
Yes.
A lot of people tag me. Oh my God, she is so pretty. What do you think? Do you think you're pretty? Because I think you're pretty wearing Indonesian.
Gombal lagi.
Digembel lagi dong.
Gombal.
Dress and Indonesian clothes traditional clothes are very beautiful, and I like it so much.
And you tried the angklung, angklung, the traditional music, Indonesian?
Yes.
Yeah, that's I think one of
It sounds good.
most popular Indonesian's traditional music. That's nice. So what were you doing there then? That's it? That's pretty much it?
We are talking too much about Indonesian traditional.
Oh, nice.
And I was so curious and happy to hear that, to be in there, to be an Indonesian vibe. So I like it so much, and I really want to go to Indonesia.
Hai.
Yeah.
Bukan nih lagi yang bikin lagi datangi yang Dayana. Kayak tuh jangan cerita nih ini.
Berarti ini Dayana yang mau datang ke Indonesia.
Ya. Siap.
Ditunggu.
Maybe.
Atau ke Dayana datangi Ki.
I saw your post again. Facts about Dayana. Facts about me.
Fakta.
Facts about me.
And
Yeah.
you itch if you are nervous, right?
Yes. Really.
Gatal.
I'd say really often. Yes, very often.
Are you itchy right now? Are you nervous now? No.
Right now, I'm really angry.
I thought you.
If my neighbors will be restless.
Oh.
I thought you were gonna be itchy talking to me.
Disalahkan terus sih.
Nervous terus.
But in the our last video, I was yes, I like
A little bit nervous.
I was nervous. Now you are like my best friend, so I'm
Sahabat.
Banyak sahabatnya sekarang di ruangannya begitu, jadi nggak terlalu nervous gitu.
Siap.
I like that.
Gila saya bikin lagi jangan sahabat.
Bro.
Hampir ini atau lanjut ini.
really like latte.
Latte?
Vanilla latte.
I'll give one for you from Indonesia. Very nice.
Thank you.
And why do you don't like evening? For what reason?
I'm sad in the evenings because I'm alone in the evenings and
Oh, that's why.
I my feelings about this, but I'm really sad if in the evening I'm alone without my friends, and when I'm with Akjan, with my manager, so not that much I'm sad, even like.
But I mean, you can call me.
No, I'm here.
What?
I didn't answer or didn't ask help and anyone because I'm like something like
Nggak enakan.
Mandiri.
independent.
Oh, mandiri.
I like that.
Oh, kalau ada masalah bisa diselesaikan sendiri nih. Gitu.
What about your YouTube channel? Everything is okay? Show хорошо?
No.
No, what do you mean no? Why?
Accent, if I'm not mistaken, is pronounced like that. They didn't give me
Kode kan? Kode ya.
letter.
Ya, surat
Kode.
kodenya.
Letter?
Letter.
You just have to wait. It takes some time, you know. It takes some time. A month, 2 months, a month, I think. 2 months tops. Yeah, so yeah, you just have
Ya,
to.
sabar.
Ya 2 bulan, kita 1 tahun.
Where's Ajay?
Actually, in home.
How is she? How's she doing? Good.
Yes, she
Nice.
is.
Adiknya tuh azan.
And
You should post more. You should upload more YouTube videos so you can
yes,
subscribers.
yes.
Yeah.
Apalagi kalau ada Fiki.
Abjan is my manager and
Oh, manajernya. Saya kira adiknya.
He's editor, my editor, yes. Because I can't edit videos. I have no idea how to do that.
And I watched, but I saw your last video. You were talking about your past, right? But I haven't watched the whole thing because I wanted to ask you personally right now because I'm pretty sure a lot of Indonesians haven't watched that video yet.
Ya.
So if you are comfortable telling me that story, that'd be amazing. But if not, that's completely fine.
No, I feel myself comfortable just because. Why do you think that the Indonesians didn't saw this video only? I have Indonesian subtitles.
No. I mean, as you know, our video reached 10 million viewers. Right? There's a lot. So maybe people that haven't watched that video yet and watching right now want to know about that story. So yeah.
Ayo cerita.
I have a brain tumor, and
Tumor otak.
actually I feel myself so fine. But I have a brain tumor and spinal cord tumor.
Oh,
And I had a surgery in Spain, in Barcelona.
Yeah.
I told you that, right?
Yeah, I know, but man, people don't know it yet,
anjing.
Explain why I don't know.
Tentang penyakitnya.
There's only in Spain did that type of surgery because I.
Sorry. Okay. So you can't do surgery in Kazakhstan, Russia.
I can do surgery to my head, like yes. I had a surgery on spinal cord and from spinal cord and to
Ngeri.
and it's all. but this ache is incurable. Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Shit.
I'm sorry. But how do you feel now? How you feel?
Of course, I have some problems with health, but now I feel myself so fine. I feel myself fine. So after this, my life is better. But to be honest, it will comes. Yes, it will comes, and I don't know what I should do in the future with this, but I live right now. Like I live with this moment. Yes.
You're alive. You're alive. That's you're breathing.
Yes.
You're breathing.
Ya semoga
Can you
tuh
breathe?
kayak tidak kepikiran tentang penyakitnya tuh.
Ya.
Kalau di pikiran biasa begitu.
What about the
Dari pikiran.
Kamu itu
I have a black humor.
Darjo. Ya, siap.
I have a black humor, so I just
bye.
have a humor about
Darjo.
this topic.
Oh my god!
Yes, because
Like
I'm joking.
dark joke?
Yes,
Bye.
and I'm joking about my day, so
Iya ya.
very often.
So you make a joke about yourself.
Yes, but people don't understand me. Like, you're so negative. I'm like, no, I'm positive, but this positive is dark. Like,
Positifnya gelap.
And what you were paralyzed 3 years ago also?
yes, I was paralyzed because so I have a spinal cord tumor, and actually my disease called like Arnold Chiari one type, like this. But from this Arnold Chiari will come like variety tumors and something like this.
Yeah, it's complicated, huh? I don't know about these, but yeah. I have told you, but I just want to tell you again that a lot of Indonesians sent me the video where you were on you were on wheelchair, and I was like, wait, is it actually Dayana? But and I was like, wow, this guy. I had to ask you, and
Pakai kursi roda.
wow, and how can you walk right now? I'm sorry, I'm making dark joke. You said you like it, so I had to make it.
I have a dark jokes about this.
Siap.
It's normal for me.
So
We should be on positivity with this topic anyway.
So how did it cure?
How did I what?
Yeah, like the first day you can walk. How?
My mom said like you can't walk again, and all my mom in Kazakhstan doctors said like you can't walk again, and in Spain they said like the same thing, like you can't walk, and because my nervous and
Gue gak bisa dengar kalau penyakit kayak gini anjing.
On my feet, yes, on my feet. Nervous I did, and I can't actually walk, and I was yes, and then when we was in the hospital, I said like I want to die. If I'm not on my feet, I want to die. Like if I would be not on my feet.
You want to die?
It was a really very hard months of my life. I want to die.
Don't die. We have to live together.
Beda di video-video apa namanya? Sebelumnya isinya itu beda sekali kontennya.
Kayak sedih.
Iya, videonya
kan video pertamanya kan mulai berkenalan dulu, berkenalan tuh ceria, berkenalan gitu.
Pas pertengahan sampai akhir apa di kayak ikut kesedih serius.
Tapi saya suka kisah Dayana. Kayak ada semangat hidupnya di video ini.
Dayana. Ya.
Kayak ada semangat hidupnya tuh untuk hidup tuh. Kayak tidak putus asa.
Ya, tidak dengar ya perkataannya dokter kak bilang nggak bisa jalan lagi.
Tapi sempat ki juga apa namanya? Iya down.
Sebenarnya down. Sempat ki mau bunuh diri mati di.
Ya.
Kayak mana behind the scene dah. Next video.
Nggak tahu video selanjutnya bagaimana tuh nanti kita reaction lagi. Ya.
Ya betul nih. Kalau saya ini nggak bisa dengar cerita kayak gitulah ya.
Horor ki.
Iya, kakiku langsung ini kesemutan cu.
Sedih. Serius.
Gak bisa saya, nanti saya berak di celana atau nangis di sini. Goblok. Ya, oke guys, mungkin dulu sekian dari video kami. Jika kalian suka dengan video kayak begini, jangan lupa di like, comment, share, and subscribe guys.
See you.